Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can create resume on Word's Microsoft Office. First, you're going to open File, click More Templates, and here in the search bar, you're going to type resume. So this is the results of the resume. So you can choose however you want, however on your preference. So me, I'm going to choose this bold modern resume. And after that, click create. And here you go. This is the pre-built resume templates in here in Word document. So we can edit it out, profile, the name, education, everything here. So that's pretty much it.